Hi guys, welcome to Travel with Austin. I'm Austin, and today I'm going to be looking at this little cube right here. In one of my earlier videos, I said I had no idea what it was, which is still mostly true, but I do have a guess of what it is. So, in the video where I pointed this out and said that it was just weird that there was a cube of solid concrete here, I came up to this after the video, and I realized it's not just a cube of solid concrete, as it may look. So if you walk around it, you can see a few different holes. And if you actually go up to the front of it, you can see where I expect a manhole cover used to be. And you can look inside, and you can see we've got pipes. I believe this would have been a ladder. And you have these wheels, which are of course very rusted. Don't move at all. This one kind of does. So you got these pipes and these wheels. So I imagine that this was some sort of control valve. If you watch my video where I talked about the buildings here, far over there is a gas control building. So we know that natural gas was needed for this. So I'm wondering if these pipes were like some sort of gas control valves, or possibly even just water control valves. But I just want to make a quick little short video on this, since I did say that it was practically nothing, and it turns out it is not. So anyway, thank you guys for watching. If anyone knows exactly what this was, please let me know. And if you like this video, please subscribe for more in the future. Thank you.